Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am gonna tell you about how to improve battery life in your AI plus smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. First, friends, if you are charging and playing games, so it will heat your device and you have to turn off the automatic updates from the Play Store or your software. So here it is, go to the profile. Now you have to click on the settings. Here it is, then click on settings, network preferences, auto update apps. Here it is, so you have to click on don't auto update apps. So you have to choose it manually. When you want to, you can, so it will not auto update. And turn off this auto play videos over Wi-Fi over internet. So when you just press it, it will open the video. And then you have to click on settings again, click on system and updates, and you have to turn off the automatic updates from this. You will see here it is system updates and system update available battery to do, and it will show up on here. From here you can turn it off. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.